Garlic is a must-have in every kitchen, and growing your own at home is not only rewarding, but super easy. Today, we're going to show you how to harvest garlic like a pro right from your garden. Step 1. Check for readiness. Your garlic is ready to harvest when the lower leaves turn brown while the upper leaves remain green. Step 2. Loosen the soil. Using a garden fork or spade, gently loosen the soil around the bulbs. Be careful not to damage the garlic. Step 3. Lift the bulbs. Carefully lift the garlic bulbs out of the ground. Shake off any excess dirt, but avoid washing them. We want to keep them dry. Step 4. Cure the garlic. Lay the garlic in a single layer in a cool, dry, and airy space for about 2 to 3 weeks. This helps the bulbs develop that rich flavor we all love. And there you have it. Perfectly harvested garlic, ready to elevate your cooking. Fresh, flavorful, and straight from your own garden. Subscribe for more easy home gardening tips and make your kitchen a farm-to-table experience.